Hailing from the farm country of Pennsylvania, Judy Maddox Saylor Allison brings her sense of place in America as an American nature painter, celebrating the beauty of her native land. Her observations of and exposure to nature, from her early farm life to living in the tropics, have given her an extraordinary sense of color and composition uncommon in self-taught artists. Photography has also played an important role in seeing. When looking through the camera's lens, an intimate view of nature encouraged her to begin painting on canvas. She is generous with the beauty and color she beholds and feels that it helps to bring joy and to heal illness. Her exhibitions aim to show the variety of her work as she shifts between locations and subject matter. What emerges is a consistent depiction of the natural environment, such as landscapes, leaves, and flowers. And endangered species. From Maine to Florida and west to New Mexico, she carries not only her paint and canvas, but her joy of life to share with others. As with children of the Depression, Judith's parents raised her to be self-reliant and always strive to do her best. And so she has shared this belief in self-reliance with her children, confident that it will be carried on for generations to come. She says of her children, "They continue to be my best teachers and my finest works of art."